Write the question. Write a program to input three numbers and check if they form the Pythagorean triplet. From the Pythagorean triplet. What is the Pythagorean triplet? See, I explain you. Pythagorean triplet means when the angle, okay, like, or the side, yes, side, a square, this is square, plus b square equals to a square, b square equals to, or it greater than also, I think. Wait, I'll tell you. All understand it. Pythagorean triplet means angle A must be greater than with angle B and with C. Okay, means A must be greater than B and greater than C, and we have to check then that A square equals to B square plus C square. This is your Pythagorean triplet. Means all these conditions must be true. So how we will form this condition? First of all, we will take three integer number. So here public static void main, three numbers लेने होंगे ना. So that's why we will take three input, int A, int B, int C, right? Then after that, here we can check if A greater than B and A greater than C and A greater than B, A greater than C, and A multiplied by A means A square, like that. Okay, first of all, this condition should be true. Then second, this condition should be true. Then third one, this condition should be true. Here you can write, you cannot write B square, because how you will type B square? It will give you an error. Okay, then it will be your system dot out dot println. It is Pythagorean triplet. Yes, it is Pytha. Write it, everyone. In Morning Star, this question is given in the exercises. In Ryan की book में question है ये पीछे exercise में. Question number. Question number. It is 6. Question number 6. Question number 6 of Ryan book.
मैम पर सबको बुक सेम है ना ICSE
अरे तो just you do this na, Pythagorean triplet. This is the program. Doesn't matter which book is you are referring. Else if this is the Pythagorean program, it will come like that only. It will not come like do the question number 6 of Ryan book. No. B greater than A. Now we will check in the reference of the B. B, A square and C square, right? Then after that, we will check in the reference of C. If one condition is made, no, so all the condition you can make. C greater than A and C greater than B. Then C square equals to a square plus b square. Okay, otherwise it's not happened, then not in Pythagorean form. Quickly write. No, it is not Pythagorean triplet. What's happened? Equal, equal. See, this is the assignment operator I have used. We have to use relational operator. Equal, equal. Make the changes. Equal, equal. Pythagorean triplet. Where is the program? Compile. Void main. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. One side 3, one second side 4, third side 5. It is in Pythagorean triplet. Okay. It is the form of Pythagorean triplet 3, 4, 5. So it is showing it 3, 4, 5.